Alright, here we've got a Glock 17 with a Wolf aftermarket 9mm barrel. It's about 6 inches long with ports. This one's been KG coated with 2400 series heat cured paint. As you can see, we've got a little bit of stainless showing still. This also has a +2 mag. This pistol also has a extended mag release. And we've got the slide release. It's been extended. Kind of a tricked out older model 17. Let's see how she does. We've shot it before, but not with the coating on the barrel. Seems to work pretty good to me. I'm very happy with it. Not much recoil. I'm not getting any blowback from the ports. Single-handed. Definitely holding the muzzle down a little bit. I'm happy with it. Thanks.